In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. To use voice recorder on this Vivo, you don't need to download it because it's already on your device. So find it, and when you're ready, launch it. Now, if you never used it before, tap on Allow in the pop-up, and then use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the right one. Now you can play it by clicking on it and manage it by opening pop-up located at the top right corner. To do that, click on those three dots. Now you can rename it. Hit OK to save its name. You can also use all of those options however you want to. My favorite one is Stream, because it lets you just edit your voice recording right away. By picking a section you wanna manage, hitting Trim, and tapping on one of those options, Delete or Extract. Now use this check mark over here, and when I go back, I can see that second recording was successfully created with all of my applied changes. You can also use all of those options below the chosen one. And last but not least, to get rid of it, tap on Bin button on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom here. You can also access all of those options right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!